Hello guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Crystal DIY. So today we want to discuss what is Moroccan soap base. Yes, what is Moroccan soap base? Alanta soap base, paste soap. Yes, paste soap is a kind of soap that is like paste. It's jelly. Okay, this kind of Moroccan soap base, soap paste or soap base is used. We use a potassium hydroxide. You know, caustic soda is a sodium hydroxide, right? So this one is potassium hydroxide. That is what we use for this kind of soap base. Yes, it's a paste. It comes like a paste. After making the soap, it comes like a paste. Yes, after making it. So you use potassium hydroxide. You can use it in your skincare formulations where you, after making it this way as a base, then you add your additives, you add your glutathione, you add your alpha-butene, your sandalwood, anything you want to add, turmeric, name them, all those things that is good for, all those ingredients that is good for skin. Then you add it after making this soap base. Do you understand? Yes, I want to, for people that is into skincare formulation, yes, this soap base is very good. So we are running training on how to make this Moroccan soap base. If you want to make this Moroccan soap base from the scratch, or paste soap, if you want to make it from scratch, you have classes for that. We will teach you how you can make this Moroccan soap base from scratch for your skin care production, for your soap base production. There is this kind of soap that you see in the market. It comes in paste. They use a kind of container to pack this kind of soap. Yes, this is what they call it. It comes shiny and all that. This is what they call it, Moroccan soap base. Some people call it Alanta soap base, right? Yes, some people call it Alanta soap base. Some people call it soap paste. So depending on what you know, what you used to know this kind of soap. So we are running training on how you can make this kind of soap. Are you seeing how pasty it is? Yes. You can add color if you want to add color. You can leave it like that. You use your oils and potassium hydroxide. We'll teach you quantities and how you can make it, and it will come out fine and beautiful. Everything will look beautiful. Standard quality, that is what we are giving. So if you're into skincare formulation and all that, for your bathing soap, it's normally used for bathing soap. Yes, you can contact us on the number on the link so that we can discuss and you will start the training. It doesn't cost much. Yes, that is what I guarantee you. It doesn't cost much. So if you want to learn how to make this kind of beautiful soap for your skin, it's not, this kind of soap is this kind of soap has so many benefits. It deeply cleans and detoxify the skin, and it also promotes circulation and smooth skin texture, and it is suitable, most of all is suitable for all skin type because it is gentle and also moisturizing. So this Moroccan soap base can also be used as a base ingredient to create more specialized natural soap by adding additional oil, clays, or fragrance. Do you understand? So it's a base that you can add your addictive. Is it brightening soap that you want to make, or whitening soap you want to make, or moisturizing soap? You can make it. After making this base, then you add those ingredients that you know that is good for moisturizing, for brightening, and all that. So you can use it for skin. Mostly, this soap is